Intimacy with Jesus to me is having total recognition that I can be myself 100%. I don't have to put up a facade. I don't have to be someone that I'm not. I can share my thoughts and secrets, concerns with Him. I can go to Him on my knees and cry out, Abba, Father. I can share with Him the challenges that I go through. But more important than that, it means that I'm actually spending time with Him on a continuous basis, being intimate, knowing who He is, and understanding what He wants from my life. Barbara and I have two children that are college students and one who's still in grade school. And for the college students, we recognize that they will soon be on their own. So for us, it's important that we pour into them the values of intimacy with Jesus and being able to recognize the importance of having time with Jesus on a daily basis. What I seek is to have devotion time with Him in the mornings, because that's really the only time that I have quiet time. And that's the time that I find most effective. And a part of that time I share with my family by sending them a devotion by way of text message each morning. But for me, it's really just having time with God in Scripture, learning more about who He is, but also learning more about who I am as a child of God. In my line of work, I deal with the world. I deal with the secular world. And I find that in order to get through that, I really have to have a relationship with God. I've got accountability partners, I've got prayer partners who I connect with on a weekly basis. And having that ability to go to others through my life group is what helps me be able to maintain that intimacy with God. Just because you're in a church doesn't mean that you are intimate with God and that you have a relationship with God. And for me, I learned early on in life that if I'm going to be a Christian, I want to be a true Christian. I want to be different from those who just talk church or just sit on the bench on Sundays, but those who actually have a relationship, an intimate relationship with God. And that's what I pursue. That to me is so essential, and that's what really attracts me about the vision of Bellevue, of making sure that the people in the church are not just coming and sitting in church, but that we are engaged, that we have a relationship with God, and that we're living out that relationship out into the community. This is a mission field for all of us locally, and it's a perfect opportunity for us, the church, to really make a difference in the lives of the people in our community and beyond. And I think it starts with our intimacy with Jesus.